everyone and welcome back to another YouTube channel. Hi everyone and welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video I was kindly sent some stuff from Nivea, so I thought I'd just do a video on it. I think it'll make a really good video for like last minute Christmas gift ideas, because to be honest, like, who doesn't like Nivea? Like, you can literally anyone likes Nivea, like whether it be like your boyfriend, your dad, like your friends, you. Like, I love Nivea and I'm definitely going to be using all this stuff as well. Also, I had my eyelashes and eyebrows done and I literally love them so much. My eyebrows, I got them HD browed and they look so good. Like, I was quite worried because I always go to the same person. I didn't go to her this time, but I literally love them. I'm glad that I don't have to travel like a really far distance again to like get them done. And also, just before I get into the video, if you saw my last video, like, does anyone know any good diets? Because I really like want to try some diets and I'm so bad at like sticking to them, so ones that have like willpower and like ones that are like easy to stick to would be good. And then like I would quite like to do like a video on it as well, but yeah, let me know. So this is what Nivea sent me. It's literally really big. I love it. I was so shocked when they sent this to me. Like, I just didn't think they would. By the way, like, stupidest award goes to me. And I was just getting ready to film this video and I was doing my makeup and that. I put perfume on. I could just be doing it for myself, but I was literally like, gotta smell nice, and then yeah. Why do I always sound like so out of breath? I literally don't know. I'm so unfit. I need to like, yeah, sort my life out really. Just whilst like my laptop is loading up, thought I'd just share with you the importance of drinking water. No, honestly though, I don't know if any of you have ever heard of a chili bottle, but they're literally the best things ever. And I had a chili bottle. If you don't know what it is, basically it keeps your drink cold for 24 hours, and if you put a hot drink in there, it keeps it hot for 12 hours. It's literally the most amazing thing, because like no matter what weather you're in, like when it was literally scalding hot in the summer and the chili bottle was laying like directly in the sun for like over an hour, you picked it up and you have a drink out of it and it'd still be ice cold. Like, I don't know how the fuck they do it, but it's fucking like sick. And yeah, when I was in Ibiza, like I took it there and I was really hungover and I was like throwing up in this restaurant in the morning, and then I must have like left it on the toilet floor when I was sitting on it like puking, which is really sad because I really like it, and it's taken me like quite a lot of time to realise that I need to just like spend the money on a new one, but I still haven't done that. And since I went to Ibiza, I literally have drank like probably like in total like a litre of water. No, I'm joking, not that little, but like I have drank like barely any water, and it just makes like such a big difference. I felt so healthy, I felt so motivated to go to the gym, felt so good, so fresh, like my skin was good, had so much energy, and now like I'm a size 12 and I can't stop eating, like. But I've just started drinking it again because I bought like a big bag of ice when I went shopping today. So that's some scary shit. Oh, by the way, I really would love to film a tattoo tag. My tattoo looks pretty cool in this. Yeah, I'd love to film one. So like, if you want me to film one, then let me know. But I do want to get like just a couple more tattoos from my friend Olivia Covey as well, who's like an amazing tattooist. Yeah, I really want her work on me, so that's what I'm gonna wait until I got that, because at the moment, other than this one which I got done in Thailand, oh my god, I'm giving everything away. Other than that one, I've got them done from all the same man, which his name is Jack Hughes. I will tag them, both of them people below. Okay, it's finally loaded. The first thing that I'm going to show you is this thing. This is for the perfect pout, and it's Luscious Lips. It's about £6.50. Obviously that's the price that it's supposed to be sold at. And what it's got in it is, okay, so what it has in it is Nivea Raspberry Rose Lip Butter, Nivea Pearly Shine Lip Balm, limited edition original care lip balm, and red lip butter. And this, it comes in obviously this metal tin. I just think that's a really cute gift. Obviously that would be for, you could literally do that for like your siblings, like your sisters, your friends. Like if I was gonna get like a Secret Santa that was a girl, like I think this would be a perfect gift because it's £6.50, so affordable. And like, especially in this winter time, like who doesn't want to moisturise their lips? Oh, one of them's fallen, I think. Unless it's supposed to be like that. No, it's not supposed to be like that. That's what it comes like in the inside. I think that's really cute. The only thing that I don't like personally about... Oh, but the only thing that I don't personally like about these ones is when I have like false nails, but obviously that can't be helped, and I would still really appreciate it if someone got me this gift for a present. These ones, they're so handy, and this is a limited edition one. Oh well, it's not really like, it's just a limited edition one, but it comes in like this red packaging. That's really cute. And then this one is, oh, that one smells really nice. This is Pearly Shine. That's cute. So yeah, £6.50. I think you could get, oh, I've just ruined that. I think you could get this in Boots or Superdrug. I'm pretty sure that's where I saw that they sell it. But I'll try and find a link for it somewhere and link it below for you. Okay, I don't know if I said, but obviously, I mean, everyone can make their own decisions. But that last one was like a gift for her. But I mean, whoever wants it can have it, a boy or girl, doesn't matter. But this one, again, is Christmas ideas for him. It is by Nivea Men, that's why I'm saying that. Yeah, this is called Spruce Up Wash Bag, and it's just for on-the-go care for men, basically. My boyfriend's already, like, said that he's having this when it first turned up. I think it's a really nice gift actually for a boy. Like for a Secret Santa where you're spending like £10, I think this is £12.50, so I would just like round that up. Like it's got like comes with a wash bag, that's really good. I personally would actually like this for myself. I love anything men's, like men's deodorant. I actually use more than I use like women's deodorant. Men's shower gel, oh, it just smells so nice. Like the smell, like the man smell is just so nice. Like I do prefer it like sometimes to girl stuff. But yeah, I'll open it. So obviously you take that bit off and it just comes in this bag, and in the bag it just has it's a full size, which is good, Nivea Men deodorant, this shower gel. Oh, that is literally like the perfect smell. This is like perfect. And then this, I'm really not actually sure what this is. It says it's a cream. Ooh, it says it's cream. I'm gonna open it. Oh, it's in like foil. What is that then? Just like moisturiser, face, body and hands it says. I'm guessing that's just a moisturiser. But I think £12.50 for the bag, the shower gel, the deodorant, and this, like, I'm guessing it's moisturiser. That is pretty good. Actually, I say £12.50, but I tell you where you can get this for £10 right now. I saw it today in Asda, discounted down to £12, down to £10, sorry. So I will link that below, but you should go there. My legs hurt so much. Okay, this next one is actually like you know that like every Christmas you get like stuff like these gift sets, and like sometimes you can be like, oh, like yeah, that's quite nice, but this next one is actually like really good. It's a little bit more expensive than the other ones. This is £30, and this is called Pro Makeup Kit and it's for the makeup lovers. So this is a lot bigger, and what it's got in it is a Daily Essential 24-hour moisturiser and Express Primer. So that's a gel cream. A 1 minute Urban Detox Mask, which is a pore refiner mask, so you get a face mask in it. That's so good. Micellar Air, so it's micellar water. Oh my god, I didn't even know, but you get a little brush for your face mask. Loving life. That is sick. Face mask applicator. Oh my god. You also get a makeup organizer. Oh my god, I didn't even know that. You get one of those like plastic things in there, you know, like the, oh, can't see it. I'll get it out in a minute. And then lastly, you get the just some Nivea makeup wipes, but the Nivea makeup wipes are so soft. This is well worth £30, I'm sorry, but the fact that it comes with that makeup, oh my god, I literally did not know that. This is the best thing. If someone got me this for a present, I would be so happy. Okay, let me just show you this. Oh my god, I'm so happy that they've sent me this, because I was literally going to buy one of these the other day. Everything's a bit stuck. I'm not really sure what this is, because I thought it was micellar water, but it's micellar gel, so I'm excited to use that. Eye and lip makeup remover. Again, I'm going to be using all of this stuff tonight, because I've just put all of this makeup on, like, to film this video. It's literally like 8, 9 o'clock at night. This mask with this brush, I haven't used a face mask in a little while, purely because I've lost my makeup, like the brush that I put it on with, and I don't like putting it on with my nails. So, okay, so this doesn't have like any bits in it, like it's not like an exfoliating one, I don't think, but that looks quite good. I've probably been talking about this for ages. These makeup wipes, literally you can't go wrong with them. This 24-hour moisturiser. Oh my god, I love moisturisers so much. Do you know, I went years and years without using them. Oh, again, this has got one of those foil things on. Ugh. Oh, wow. Oh my god. And then, yeah, so the Holy Grail, you get fucking this with it as well. Can you actually believe that? 30 quid for all of that. I'm sorry. Okay, and then lastly, this is cute. Oh my god. Yeah, it just broke. Okay, and then this last one is for him again. It's a little bit squashed. And like, obviously it is a product that was already in the other one, so I don't mean to like repeat myself. But this is a little like, this is called the stocking filler, and it says you're my number one on it. To my number one. This only costs £4, but I just think that's cute, especially for like a dad, like as a stocking filler as well, or like again just like Secret Santa. I would just get that, and then I'll make them wear it around their neck. Let me do it for the thumbnail. Ow, my fucking legs. I've been like kneeling down for ages. My legs hurt so much. Oh, I don't know if I said before, but this is just the like moisturiser, I'm guessing again, Nivea Men Cream, face, body and hands. But it just comes in a 75ml version, and yeah, I just think that's really quite cute. Like if you actually are stuck on gifts like for your boyfriend, if you're getting them like a stocking, or for like your boyfriend's dad, or like a brother, like I think that's quite cute, like to keep costs down. Like you can't really go wrong, like I said with Nivea, like they think that they won't end up using it, but then everyone always ends up using it. Okay, so that's literally everything in the video. I hope I didn't like babble on for too long, but I'm sorry, especially that £30 one, I am literally impressed. Like, I'm sorry, but imagine if someone got you like one of those like toiletry like gift sets, and then it comes with like a makeup organizer. What? I'm literally like gonna use that right now. I literally had no idea before I filmed this video that it had that in it, because I was thinking a little bit like slightly like, okay, like it does come with quite a lot of stuff, but like £30 really? But the fact that it comes with the brush that I didn't know about, and also that whole makeup holder, like if you bought that makeup holder from a shop, it would be like £12 anyway, maybe even more. But yeah, anyway, that is everything. Thanks so much for watching. My next video, I'm really excited about filming. I'm going to be filming it next week, obviously, and I'm going to go to my sister's house, and I'm going to do, sister does my makeup for New Year's Eve, so it's going to be like a New Year's Eve look. She's literally so good at doing makeup. Her name is Hopefully Anna on YouTube. I will also link her below. But yeah, I'm so excited about her filming that, because she's so good at doing makeup, and I can't wait to do like, yeah, just get some inspiration for like New Year's Eve basically. Like I love all of the like glam look. Yeah, it's gonna be fun as well, like doing it with my sister, because she's done makeup videos for like a couple of years now, so that would just be really fun. I'm really looking forward to that. So that will be up on like next weekend, either like Saturday or Sunday, so yes, keep an eye out for that. Please subscribe as well, like just please, just subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, it doesn't hurt, just do it. It's just down there, it's just a little thumbs up down there, please. Anyway, yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.